ngayong adlaw? Kamusta ikaw? So, we're going sa Banwa, Lagaw-Lagaw. Kamusta ang imong adlaw? Kamusta ang imong pagbugtaw? Hoping nga okay kid. In these things, pagbugtaw ko, I have a realizations about relationship. Okay, ikaw la isa ka panimuha ka relationship niyo, but it's not that good. Why? It is a relationship. Dapat duha ka magpanghikasog to make it successful. Dapat, paganinanda, it takes two to dance a tango. It takes two wings to fly. Paano ka magpanikan ka maglupad-lupad na tawhay sa tawag na relasyon kung isa lang ka panghikasog? Ang baga ni Nanda, it takes two to make a relationship. And it takes both to make it work. Again, it takes two to make a relationship. And it takes both to make it work. God bless you. With love.